Welcome back to another episode of our accident reaction video.
In this series, we watch accident videos, analyze them in hopes of avoiding them.
Before we start, I have an announcement to make.
I can move my hand.
Yes, can move already. All of you guys waiting for the Pussy Mode sticker is now available on 333.com. Go get it. Limited stocks.
Yeah, limited.
It was a dark and quiet night. Something didn't feel right.
Walao, bro, scared me
What the?
The National Bikers Weekend, is happening again this year. But this time with a little bit of horror. Because it's Halloween. Get ready for some thrilling stunt shows, scare actors, the ever-popular Gymkhana, a safe riding experience for kids, and the never-seen-before deals on motorcycles and accessories. Last year, they gave out bikes there. I wonder what they'll be giving out in this year's hourly lucky draw. Even more, they have reputable food vendors on site. Yums! Join us at Changi Exhibition Centre from 18th to 20th October, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Can't wait! We'll see you there! Don't miss out on the fun. Admission and parking is free. Let's go!
What is this?
Hey, I think I know where this is.
Wow.
Wow.
I hate drivers that drive like that.
Wow.
Oh, I want to fight already.
Hey, I think I saw this video before. Yeah.
I haven't seen it yet.
Gangster, huh?
Boss,
Wow.
I got one comment.
Wow.
I got one comment.
Wow.
you know what's the biggest problem I see in this video? You guess. One guess.
What, that he botak and got tummy?
No, the way he stand very weird. Why he stand like that?
Okay, this is, I think, old school gangster
Intimidation
intimidating.
tactic.
Last time all like that, what? All your gangster in school always like, why would the hand must go back then the hip?
Not good for the neck. Not good for the neck. Sure got neck pain one.
But this fella, I'm a very firm believer. You're not in the wrong, fight for your right. Sure, right? You prove that you're not wrong, you go for it, cool. But the moment you are wrong, shut up and apologize.
My question is, do they know they are in the wrong or not?
How do you not know you're in the wrong, this one?
I don't know.
It's ego, what? Why?
What is the angle of him confronting him?
I drive car,
You
my
buy song.
car more expensive. You ride bike, you big, I dare touch you, I never touch you. But, hello, the gole marking for reason, what?
Yeah lah, but you cannot drive like that ma.
Cannot drive for that, what?
I continue. You got fight. Friend to the rescue.
Eh?
Say relax lah.
Did he hit the guy?
Don't know leh, can't tell leh.
Look like leh.
What are you doing? Take weapon lah, sia. Why
Look, why is it okay, I pause why is it when there is a woman or a lady involved the guy then
Like what you say lah, ego lah.
ego
Ah.
I think okay, so we are all people, we are all human, we are all emotional to a certain extent right? Given the a day where you had good sleep, your day is good, you cannot something like this, you're like whatever lah, you don't bother. But then if you're already agitated,
Yeah lah. I get
then
what
this
you mean.
fella come and poke you, boom.
I get what you mean lah. I've also been in these kind of situations where we like quarreling. But I've also been in situations where people are shouting at me and then I'm just like,
Yeah.
sorry.
What? How?
I think another one. I think this one also quarrel one.
Oh, is it? Oh, close. Oh, that one cutting a bit close lah. Then, yeah, the one at the back, very strong.
Okay. I want to share something also. I think it is not very nice to be overtaking people like this.
Yeah.
As a biker, if let's say you want to overtake me, right? What I would do is, let's say I have a biker in front, he's on the left side of the lane. If I really want to overtake, right, I make sure like there's at least a bit of space lah, like out of respect or is it out of respect? It's like out of
Courtesy lah.
I don't suddenly appear next to you and scare you because technically when you're on the lane, right, even though you're a bit on the left, there's nothing wrong with going to the right. Let's say I'm on the left of the lane.
Yes.
Then I just happy I want to go to the right because maybe later I'm going to turn right, so I prepare first. Nothing wrong, what?
No.
Right? It's not like I'm changing lanes or what. So it's like out of safety, just give him a bit of space. Don't cut like that.
So like everyone's been in a rush, right? Then I have cut riders like this, but I say sorry. I know, I can see it's clear. I can see you're not moving towards me. I know you won't be affected, but I will give you a shot. I go past, sorry bro, I really need to go.
Yeah, sometimes if I get a shock, right, and then I see he say paise.
Okay.
Then I say, okay, sure, like, no problem.
Yeah, you're in a rush, okay. Cool.
Like we all understand, ma.
Yeah.
But you don't just cut like that, then like...
Yeah, so there was once, I think I was on TPE. So I was not exactly doing, I wasn't going slow. I think I was doing 90-ish, about there. I'm not about to admit how fast I go on camera. Nice try. But this guy, Malaysian biker, overtook me fast. I think he was doing 140, 150. He just went, whoa! Whole 300 kilos of the Africa Twin plus me, I don't know, another 500 kilos just went, like, what the hell? It really, it scares the shit out of you.
Right? Suddenly the guy pop up, like that. Wow,
Yeah,
very scary one.
Plus the sound, you hear the,
very loud. Some of them, the pipe very loud some more.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened? He overtake him, and then they buay song. And then he goes to him, and then like,
not happy.
apparently they are trying to do something very amazing. They're trying to quarrel, right, while riding on the highway.
Yes, sir. Yeah, they were not happy. Then,
you know what?
this one asking for it.
I know what they're talking.
Hey, how you ride? Huh? Your mother teach you?
What you Ha, boom, fall down. Wow, what the hell? You see worthy or not? You can't even hear the guy. You can't even get your point across. Boom, fall down.
Wow, no. No, I happened to pause here. I went, what? No. That is a no.
This is a no.
This
is a very big red flag.
No, hell
Red
no.
flag.
Hell no.
Hey, you see this thing?
Wow.
Is there a helmet? Is there a helmet?
Child? Yes.
Oh my god.
Walao, brother, you are carrying a kid.
Hey, this one got sensor or not?
I'm a bit scared to to continue.
Okay, let's go. You see this is what we were talking about.
Yeah. You crazy,
Remember that guy who was drunk and then anyhow bang people?
The bus one.
Two bus. You see two bus stop.
But this is not stop. The fella's
Correct.
moving.
You see two bus stop. You think you got enough time? Okay, fair enough, go. You see this kind of moving on, it's like, wow. How to say, I don't know, it's like buy 40, buy 0000, then hoping to win top prize. I just feel like no chance to win.
Would you, in your wildest imagination, okay, pick up a king cobra and put your hand in the fella's face? Hey, bite me. You won't, right? Don't do this. It's the same thing. You flirting with death.
Someone bring the kid. I don't understand. Like even myself, I also don't dare go in. But anyway, let's see what happens.
Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. What? Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay.
Wow. You see, it's a kid.
Yeah.
You know, we are hoping that everybody who watch this video, right, you get to recognize the signs of dangers and all that, and then you try to avoid it. Yeah. Hopefully, after sharing all these things, right, like, I mean, we're not here to bash people, but hopefully after sharing all these things, people watch. You see two truck, right? You think, cannot scolded. Later, I don't go.
My video kena.
Then our job is done already. Our job done already.
Beep. Whoa. Why you do like that? This a pedestrian, why you
Hey,
jail?
she's steady eh.
She helped the guy.
I think her first reaction was, oh my god, are you okay?
She knows she's salah lah.
Of course.
The guy pinned her. Yeah, the guy pinned.
Ayo, poor uncle.
Heng ah. Different video or same video?
Okay, uncle is going quite slow.
Heng oh.
He actually is going quite
he's going
slow
quite
leh.
Yeah. But she nowhere ma.
Okay,
Cannot
you see
what,
it is in this case it's like, okay, we know some accidents can't be prevented. When people decide to walk out like that, if you are there, right, that's it lah. But then the good thing is at least it's not so bad compared to if he was speeding.
Okay.
I think the girl fly already.
I don't know if you know this, but I've been in the exact same situation. Just that it's not a girl lah. So I going Little India. I was riding my XR4. I can't remember if I had a pillion then. But anyway, so same thing, going through car, and I wasn't going fast. Out of nowhere, this buyer, boom, hit the brakes, but I still hit him, but he didn't fly lah. You got me? He just and he dropped. Like, bro, so pedestrians, if you are watching this video, you have to look at where the traffic is coming from.
Yeah. I don't know how many pedestrians are watching this. But if you are watching this, right, you cross the road, please watch out for bikers. Okay, especially when the traffic is packed.
Yeah.
Everybody think that all the cars stop.
The car stop.
Nothing coming.
Car
then
stop,
they see the hole there, they just, go happy go. They never see one.
Yeah, lor. Yep.
Yeah, so like if you cross a car, in between the lanes, the lane split zone, just be aware the bike will come out.
I'm very sure someone is going to say, hey, but then the bike is not supposed to be lane splitting.
Whatever, this is just to prevent only.
Yeah.
Okay, you try to prevent, we try to prevent, nothing will happen.
Everyone
Sweet.
happy.
Sweet. See this a bit scared.
Yeah.
Wow! Oh yo! What happened?
A lorry on the other side. The yellow one was trying to avoid a lorry for some reason. I don't know why.
Ooh. Okay, this one is, I think, am I right to say that if you see, if you're driving, you see a car jam brake, then you cannot stop in time already. What are we supposed to say? Are we supposed to say that if you see a car jam brake, you cannot stop in time, right? Just go and bang the guy in front. Don't go and...
No, so I haven't gotten this question answered. I think we need to email traffic police. Okay, what I understand, it's not been fact checked, I could be wrong, is that it is illegal to swerve out into another lane, even though you don't have enough time to brake.
I think that would make sense,
Because you swerve, you pile all kind of accidents.
You can say it's reckless driving,
Technically, it is.
Even if it's illegal, right, it's still reckless, Because in the first place, right, if you paid attention,
you wouldn't.
Then you would have stopped, or if you gave enough space,
Yep.
you would have stopped in time. There's no need for this. So I think the fault, the problem, the issue lies with, way before the accident.
Yeah.
Maybe not enough space, maybe not paying attention. If you pay attention, you wouldn't have to do this. But I've been in this situation before, and got no time to think one. So what happened was like the car in front, the two car, right, suddenly stopped to quarrel.
On the highway.
On the highway road exiting at the small lane, right? Suddenly two cars just jam brake and come down and fight. Then I was like behind, I see the car, I don't know why, I was like, okay, driving, checking, then I look, wow, then I just swerve like that. It's natural reaction, but I think to prevent this, correct, it's like, if you ask me, if I happen to be in that situation again, right, I don't think I can say, I cannot swerve, later I hit a bike, I just go in front, bam.
True.
But
Human reaction.
if before that I pay attention, different.
If you weren't
I gave
speeding,
enough space, I drive not so fast,
Yeah.
then I could have prevented, That's all I have to say.
Wow, but this guy flies,
Another thing I noticed, right, we are talking about cars swerving out, right? You see what's happening here?
Yeah.
It's not one vehicle swerve out, It's two The white one swerve because apparently in front of the yellow one there's no car ma.
Yep.
So white one swerve, then yellow one also swerve. Everybody swerve. The guy who kena is this one. No?
I think that's why
The car got kena no?
That's why I think you're not allowed to swerve.
Wow.
Wow, car also close
What
shave. Close shave.
Wow, he's xiam
Yeah.
It always goes down to the same point where there is one person, right, who is not paying attention.
Yeah, who caused all.
It's either not paying attention or going too fast or maybe not leaving enough space.
Yep.
So all these things that we learn, I think is for a reason.
I hope this biker goes home.
Yeah, man.
Wow, this looks nasty, man.
We have come to the end of another episode.
Where a little bit of myself and Amos just died. We hope that these kind of videos will help you be a safer driver, rider, and apparently pedestrian.
If it doesn't help, let us know. Then we don't need to be so depressed.
Actually, in all seriousness, right? You guys maybe when you watch accidents, you see one or two, but it's actually not easy to do. It really is not easy watching other people getting hurt. So please, don't get hurt. Okay? With that, I'm Mark.
I'm Amos.
See you on the road. Again, I say on the road. On the road.
夠了啦！
Makan, bye-bye.